Hey everyone, today we have a question we're being asked literally hundreds of times every day. It's Tia with Insurance Talk, and today we're going to talk about auto insurance renewals and why auto insurance rates are going up faster than ever. As a side note, as I was looking at the questions about renewals, I realized we probably need to make 3 or 4 more videos to explain everything that's going on. So stay tuned for more on renewals, but let's talk about auto insurance for now. The cost of auto insurance jumped more than 19% during the year ending in August 2023, while overall inflation was at 3.7%, according to the Labor Department. So on a monthly basis, car insurance prices rose 2.4% between July and August of 2023 alone. Ouch. So to start, here are 4 reasons why your car insurance premium is increasing at your renewal. First, drivers seem to have forgotten how to drive during the pandemic. Insurance premiums actually fell in the lockdown stage of the pandemic when many cars sat parked for weeks. By the time we returned to the roads in 2021 and 2022, many drivers seem to have forgotten how to drive safely. People picked up on some risky habits, says the CEO of Insurance Information Institute. And we haven't seen those risky habits go away, even though we have more people on the road. The number of fatal auto accidents jumped sharply in late 2020 and early 2021, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. While accidents rates have started declining in 2023, they remain higher than they were before the pandemic, which contributes to the rising cost of insurance. Second, auto repairs and parts have increased over 24% since 2020. The cost of repairing or replacing a car that's damaged in an accident have also jumped sharply thanks to supply chain issues, parts shortages, and a tight labor market that's led to rising wages for auto mechanics. New and used car prices have begun to fall in second and third quarter of 2023, but repair costs are still climbing. Third, natural disasters are also driving up insurance costs. In addition to car crashes, natural disasters are also contributing to higher insurance premiums, and not just in states prone to hurricanes or wildfires. According to NOAA, in 2023, as of November 8th, there have been 25 confirmed weather disaster events with insurance claim losses exceeding $1 billion each, just in the United States. The 1980 to 2022 annual average is $8.1 billion events. Insurance companies play the averages and price your insurance based on historical data. Based on NOAA's report, expensive claims like hail, fire, tornadoes, flooding, and hurricanes have seen a 3-time increase in claims in 2023. So insurance companies are increasing auto premiums at a crazy rate. And fourth, the Department of Insurance does their best to keep insurance rates as low as possible, but when an insurance company requests an increase, the DOI must agree to any rate increase they request. In fact, the DOI will review the insurance company's data, justifying the amount of their premiums and any proposed rate increase. This is to be certain that increases are not excessive, inadequate, or unfairly discriminatory. The law also requires the Department of Insurance to make certain that insurers remain financially stable in order to protect policyholders and ensure claim payments will be made. The Insurance Information Institute states auto insurers paid $1.12 in claims in 2022 for every dollar they collected in premiums. For 2023, that ratio is expected to be $1.09. That's better, but the insurance companies are still paying $1.09 for every dollar they collect, which is a very large loss. This means the insurance companies will be requesting more rate increases with the DOI, and unfortunately for all of us, those requests will be approved because the insurance companies must have the money to cover claim payments. So expect your renewals to continue to increase in 2023 and 2024. Well, what can you do about it right now? First, make sure you're working with an insurance agency like Trailstone Insurance Group. Trailstone works with more than 40 insurance companies. We'll shop your policies for you and find the best rates and coverages available. If you're working with companies like State Farm, Farmers, and USAA, these companies can only quote one brand of insurance. 40 choices with Trailstone are way better than one choice. Second, talk with one of Trailstone's insurance specialists. We have more discounts available because we work with more than 40 insurance companies. Discounts like good driving history, working from home, shorter commutes, bundling home and auto together, and even where you work. We have dozens of discounts available, so reach out to our team and let us help you find some relief from these crazy insurance rates.